Ideal for design engineers everywhere, ANSYS AIM offers a variety of physics in a complete, low-cost simulation tool that's easy to learn and use. It includes fluid simulations, structural, thermal, electronics, or combinations thereof, eliminating the need for any other simulation software. AIM is CAD agnostic and enables seamless integration with any major CAD tool. Integrated geometry features let you create, edit, or repair any 3D model. AIM's intuitive, customizable workflows guide you from design concept to validation, and you can hit the ground running without investing significant amounts of time and money for training. Every engineer in your organization can benefit from the versatility, speed, and precision of ANSYS AIM.